how to improve creativity skills. There are n number of ways you can go and do research on Google. Do research at least for 10 minutes. Find as per your interest what is the best creativity skill like which you want to improve, and so that you find it and let us know in the comment section that did you find it, or you set a goal that okay, you want to be creative, and try different exercises, activities, and you can try circle challenge. You can use a sketchpad and try to exercise, create, draw, writings. You can do anything, and so that you can become creative. Read regularly new books, whatever books you like, so that you get different ideas. And write, you can also write blogs, you can write posts, and you can write a book.